Zoho Social SMM Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think managing multiple social media accounts is tedious and time-consuming, but you won't believe what happens next when a platform combines scheduling, analytics, and engagement tools in one dashboard. Zoho Social is a social media management platform that allows businesses, agencies, and content creators to schedule posts, monitor social activity, and analyze performance across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. The surprising truth about Zoho Social is that it balances simplicity and depth. You can plan content calendars, respond to comments, track mentions, and measure engagement without switching between multiple apps. Most people get this wrong. They assume social media management tools are only for large enterprises. In reality, Zoho Social offers tiered plans suitable for small businesses, solo marketers, and agencies alike. Zoho Social also provides insights into audience growth, post performance, and engagement trends, helping you optimize content strategy over time. Its collaboration features allow team members to work together seamlessly. Zoho Social is best for businesses and marketers who want a unified platform to streamline social media posting, monitor interactions, and gain actionable insights. The surprising truth is that even small businesses can leverage professional SMM tools to save time, increase engagement, and grow their online presence effectively. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing and social media tool reviews that help you work smarter.